Ow. Oh, my helmet's nice and cold. Just what I need right now. Fuck. Alrighty. Fucking glasses are fucking up again. Oh boy, this is gonna be fucking cold. "40 kilometers. You're joking, right? Oh boy. Oh man, definitely not going to enjoy this. Oh god, barely 5 kilometers into the trip and I'm freezing already. It's going to be a long ride. Holy shit. Oh, fucking hell. At least with my GPS I have a bit of an idea as to how far away it is. Oh man. I'm barely a quarter of the way there and I'm already fucking freezing. Oh man. Cold, 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 cold. And I'm not even halfway yet. God damn it. Oh man. Note to self, don't ever ride in this cold weather again. Holy fuck. Oh man. God, I can barely feel my fingers. My fingers are actually starting to hurt. And thank God my GPS can tell me how much further it is, but it's still not very comforting. At least I'm over the halfway mark. And at least I'm not going back up to fucking Tenterfield. Tenterfield's another like 10 Ks. Oh god. Oh god. 16 Ks. I'm over halfway. Oh shit. Oh. I'm sorry, it's just, you have no idea how fucking cold this is. This feels like I'm riding through a freezer. Oh man. Ow, mate, high beams, thank you. Ah, god damn it. 15 Ks. I can do it. I know I can. Oh man. I'm glad I don't have to ride in this for like a couple of hundred Ks or something. Fuck, that would just be torture. I really hope I don't get fucking frostbite. I'd imagine that'd be a lot colder than that. Oh. Oh god, 9.7. 9.6. Alright, I can count down now. Oh god. Yeah, my fingers are so sore. I can still feel them, but they just hurt. Ow. Oh man. I can see the destination on my GPS. It's teasing me. We can make it, Vulcan. Just keep going, buddy. 7 kilometers left, right? I know you're freezing your butt off, I am too. I can see houses. We're on the outskirts of town. Mate, high beams, dickhead. Oh, at least it's not raining. At least it's not windy. Oh man, that would just be the worst. I would hate that. 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers, 2 kilometers. Oh man. Oh god. Oh. 1.5 kilometers. It's like right there. Turn right, then turn left. Oh god. Oh. Fucking hell. Okay, okay, not this one. The next one. Not this one here. Next one after this, so the traffic lights, I think. Not this one, next one. Oh man. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh shit. Fucking hell. Alrighty. Okay, so where was it? I think it's straight through this roundabout here. Yeah, okay. Now where do I go? I think I'll go. I can't fucking see anything. Let's set in behind the. Yeah, right there. Okay. Fucking hell. Oh, yeah, cool. Alright. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, there's police here. What are they doing here? Okay. Reception. Oh god. Holy crap. Talk about cold. Whoa. Oh man.